I wanna lay down in the bed.
May food one.
Mamaya, ako picture tayo kayo ka.
Ano ko? Salita ko ang. Hello! Hi! Nympha! Pahinging chichirya.
Bibidyohan ka.
Ay, I'm very ugly. Nympha, pahinging chichirya lang kasi panahambog lang natin tong ano natin.
Yan sa kabila, dito sa kabila niya. Asa video niya.
Hello!
My kittens.
This is my newborn. There. This is the mom.
She's the mom.
How
this
many
is the mom.
children? How many children?
She cannot afford to let the baby out of her. That's why she's returning the babies to the house.
It's very hard.
It's very hard to English. Very hard to English. Babies! 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 Come, babies!
Manimik na ba kayo?
Uy! Uy! Ignas na there's plenty of food! There's plenty of ano there! That's why it's dirty! Di ba? Dirty! Hoy! Hoy! Babies! 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 They're kind of pero di tayo magkakuna sa
You might be supervising there. Hello babies. What are you eating? Can I have some? Hey, come here. Well, your mom is here. Your mommy is here. Okay. Where's Garfield?
ay sayang.
Garfield is dead?
No. She's at home siguro. She's a neighbor's cat. She's a
Okay na rin. Kapit na rin.
Ano ba di?
Akong brano ka na. Natantaw rin sa tutoy rin ha.
Ano rin mo sa rin mo ang yelo nito?
Cats all over the place. Cats all over the place. Love you. I want something. Do you want something? What do I want now? What do I want now?